Gentlemen, on the next count of 1, take a side step with the right leg behind the lady. At the same time, raise your left hand and lead her rotation. Connect your feet, use your hand to place the lady's hand on your neck, your right hand goes on her back, your left hand goes behind your back. Then bend your left knee, reach with the right leg to the side without shifting your weight yet, then actively push off the left leg, shifting your weight to the right one, right knee is bent, tilt your upper body to the right side looking at the lady. Avoid leaning over your partner going forward, keep your back straight and tilt to the right. Then push off the right leg, shifting your weight to the left one and rotating your entire body counterclockwise, and put your left hand out for the lady. Bend your knee slightly, take a backward step with the right leg, ending up with your right side to the audience. Now the lady's perspective. Start by rotating clockwise, taking 2 steps. The first step is with the right leg, and with this step raise the left hand up in front of you. Step with the right leg, left one, feet together, place your left hand on the man's shoulders, end up standing on your left leg and with your left side to the man. Meanwhile, place your right hand on the man's chest. From that point, bend your knees, take a step backward with the right leg, left leg is straight and in front of you, direct your hips forward and up, and tilt your upper body backward, looking at the man. Push off the right leg, take a step with the left one, moving forward and around the man slightly. Take one more step with the right leg, place your right hand in the man's hand, bend your knee, take a step away from the man with the left leg. Let's show this part with the dip from the front as well. Starting from the entrance, step with the right leg, feet together, place your right hand on the man's chest, bend your knees, step backward, into the pose and out of it. Ladies, for you during the dip, it's very important to stay within your own balance as much as you can, avoid leaning on the partner too much and avoid pulling him with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.